Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control panel, open it, click on programs and select programs and features, and here we will be having the search option. Just type visual and we'll be having the Microsoft Visual Studio Code, the blue color icon. Just right click and uninstall it. Click on yes, and that's it. It has been completely removed. And also make sure that you don't have it opened when you are uninstalling. So now we are done uninstalling, but some of its files and data are still present in our system. So I'll be showing you how you can delete that also. So first open your file explorer, go to local disk C, users, your system username, and here we will be having .vs code. So you can just delete this. And next in the same folder to the top we will be having view. Click here and select hidden items. So now we will be having the app data folder visible. Open it and go to roaming at first, and here we will be having this code folder. Okay, this is related to VS Code, so we can just delete this. And now we will be having the local folder. Open it, and here if we scroll down, so here we are having the VS Code, VS Common and VS Application Insights. So basically you can just delete this. And I'm not exactly sure about this Visual Studio because we are also having another IDE, right, the purple color Visual Studio. So in case if you don't have that in your system, you can just uninstall these two also. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.